Hi everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, I am continuing pie chart data interpretation. Here, if you look at the information in this session, first of all, we need to understand what is the given information exactly, and based on that, we need to solve the questions. Here, so many students will afraid of just by seeing the information, by giving the information with these three different pie charts. But while you understand, while you are reading that particular information and understanding, once you understand that. Definitely, problem solving is very easy task. Once look at the information which is given in this. Share of export of four fruits from India in 3 consecutive years in volume. Here, it is just an information about export of four fruits. Export of four fruits from India in 3 consecutive years. 3 consecutive years: 2000, 2001, 2002. In these 3 years, in these 3 consecutive years, he is saying that export of four fruits. Four fruits are: one is orange, jackfruit, mango, and lychee. These are the four different fruits. In each and every year, same fruits, no change in fruits, but there is a change in percentage in each and every year. Now, coming to the information. Here, we don't know about this particular total value. Total how many exports are there from 2000. Total how many exports are there from 2001 and 2002. We don't know the total value. Here total value we don't know, but we know that only the percentage. Here it is, suppose for example, if it is in 2000, 1 lakh. In 2000, that is 1 lakh. It may increase or decrease in 2001, right? We cannot say exactly it is 1 lakh. It may more than 1 lakh or less than 1 lakh. More than 1 lakh or less than 1 lakh or equal to 1 lakh. Similarly, in 2002 also same thing. You don't know the exact value. Once you don't know the exact value, it is very easy to set the answer of each and every value. Why? Because this one you don't know. 19 percentage. Orange is 19 percentage. 19 percentage of how much? This how much value you don't know. Once you don't know that, definitely if we ask this particular value, definitely your answer is cannot be determined. Undoubtedly, there is no calculation required for these kind of problems. Once look at the question. Here, in each and every question related to this particular pie chart, especially in this pie chart, once look at each and every question, whatever the questions I am explaining in this session, especially I have created these questions to understand what kind of questions are asked related to, especially related to cannot be determined cases. Okay, in which year? In which year were the exports of jackfruit maximum? Jackfruit, here it is 25 percentage, and jackfruit in this 17 percentage, and jackfruit in this year 20 percentage. But so many students will think that here it is 29 percentage, so we can go ahead with 2000. But that is wrong answer. 2000 is not the answer. 2001 is also not the answer. 2002 is also not the answer. Because the reason, see, for example, this 29 percentage, 29 percentage of 1 lakh, for example, that will gives you 29,000. Okay. In the next year, in the next year, total is, for example, 5 lakhs. As you don't know the total exports, you cannot say exactly it is less than 1 lakh or more than 1 lakh. Suppose if it is more, then what will happen? What is 17 percentage of 1 lakh? 17 percentage of 1 lakh is definitely more than this value, which is 85,000. 85,000. Even though the percentage is less, even though the percentage is less, based on this value, based on this total value, it may varies. Okay, so you cannot judge the uh, total exports based on the percentage. You have to judge the value based on the total, but total is not given in this pie chart. So your answer is directly without any hesitation. If you are familiar with these kind of problems, definitely without any hesitation you can directly keep the answer as cannot be determined. Cannot be determined is the right answer for this question. No calculations are required. Okay, next question. In which year were the orange exports minimum? Just now I said that regarding jackfruit. Now it is the turn for orange. Orange is 19.6 and this is 10 percentage. Here that he is talking about exports were minimum. This is 6 percentage. But you should not say exactly it is to know 2001. Why? Because 6 percentage of what is the total exports in that year. You don't know that value, right? So you cannot say exactly that is the least one or minimum exports. So your answer is again cannot be determined because the reason total exports are not given. Guys, in this pie chart, majority of the answers are cannot be determined. I created only to explain how to solve the problems related to cannot be determined. Okay, next here, 2001. In 2001, here we are talking about 2001. Which fruit has shown maximum percentage increase? Maximum percentage increase in export over the last year as compared to previous year. As compared to previous year, which fruit has the maximum increment, maximum percentage increase in export over the last year? Percentage increment that you can calculate. Here you are not calculating the exact figure. Here you are calculating the percentage increment that you can calculate. So once you observe whatever the value of total exports in both the years in 2000 and 2001. Suppose if it is 1 lakh, this is it may or may not be 1 lakh. Suppose let us suppose that this is 2 lakhs. It doesn't matter, but this 1 lakh is applicable for each and every fruit in this year, and this 2 lakhs is applicable for each and every fruit in this year. There is no doubt. Even though if it is 50,000, there is no doubt that 50,000 is applicable for all the fruits in 2001. Okay, now, if you observe the percentages, orange is 19 percentage in this 2000. Whereas coming to this case, that is 6 percentage. So you cannot expect a maximum percentage from orange. Here the value is decreases. Once check it out whether the values are increases or not. Jackfruit is 29 percentage in 2000, whereas coming to 2001 it is 17 percentage. As of now, orange and jackfruit both values are not increases. Okay, I'm not talking about the exact values. I'm talking about the percentages. Percentages are not yet increased. Coming to this mango. Mango is 14 percentage in 2000 and mango is 44 percentage in 2001. There is a large variation for mango. What about lychee? Lychee is 38 percentage in 2000, whereas 33 percentage in 2001. Here, if you observe carefully, percentages percentages are decreases for orange, jackfruit, and lychee. But whereas coming to mango, percentage is increases. So whatever the total exports for 2000 as well as 2001, definitely mango value will get maximum percentage increment. Maximum percentage increment as compared to previous year. So your answer becomes mango. Option C is the right answer for this question. Option C. Next one. Which fruit has the maximum percentage increase in export value in 2002 over the export value in 2000. Now we are talking about value. We are not talking about the volume. Here, if you are talking about the value, definitely you must know this particular value. You must know this particular value, right? So, see here, once orange and orange is 6 percentage and this is 10 percentage. This is 17, this is 20, this is 44, this is 20, and this is 33 and this is 50, right? So, whenever the question is related to value, then you cannot say exactly the same thing. Answer is cannot be determined. Because the value is because we are he is asking about in terms of value, not in terms of percentage exactly. Okay, next one. Export of which fruit export of which fruit has consistently been on a rise? Undoubtedly, here also cannot be determined. Consistently be on a rise. It means consistently increases. Consistently increases. You cannot say exactly orange is increases consistently and jackfruit is increases, mango is increases, lychee is increases. You cannot say exactly, right? From this year to this year, orange, all these are only percentages but not the values. Why? Because here you don't know the value of each and every year exports. Once you know the values, definitely you can say that which fruit is consistently beyond a rise. But in this case, as we don't know the values, so your answer becomes cannot be determined. So, guys, I hope you understand the problems related to this model, especially cannot be determined model. And in the next session, we'll come up with some more examples. And I hope you understand the session. Thank you. Thanks for watching.